Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is another unboxing video of Mi Band 2. So finally some days ago I ordered a Mi Band 2 for myself, and the date it was showing 13th August and today is 12th August. It came one day later, so thanks Amazon. Amazon is great. So let's unbox this product. It comes in a plastic bag of Amazon. Plastic is banned in India. Oh my god. You can see a product here. Mi Band 2. So guys, this is our product here, and you can see it. It comes in white packaging, and here is a branding of Xiaomi, and beside that there are some specifications. Product name Mi Band 2, color black, part number and manufacturing. So let's keep it aside, and here is Bluetooth Smart. It has a Bluetooth inside it that shows. Here you get a picture of Mi Band 2. So let's unbox it. This, I love this sound. Yeah, this also, love this sound. Okay, so this is a bubble wrap, not bubble wrap, it's a plastic wrap, and you can see Mi Band 2. So let's pop this out. Do you hear that? Oh my god, you get a look of Mi Band, the main screen, and below this is a strap. It is a strap, and this is a module here. And yes guys, here is a charger of our module. And now let's take out our module. Okay, so this is our module. Okay, so this is a charger of this. Gets charged like this, and okay, so this is first time I'm using a Mi Band. So okay, so let me put it just 1 second. Okay guys, our Mi Band is ready, and I fit this module inside the strap, and this is our charger. Let's keep it aside for some time, and let's talk about this. The strap is made of rubber, so no tension, and here you can see the heart rate sensor. It counts your heartbeat, and this is a, when you touch here the screen appears, and this is not charged. I will charge it and show you how it looks. And finally guys, our Mi Band module is charged, and you can see it's not 7:59 right now, but it's showing, and this is a heart rate 8, and the steps time, steps are 0, and it's not monitor. You can see it's monitoring my heart rate now, and now I'll put it back in this. Okay, so it is not fitted well. It is some tilted actually, as you can see or not, and it is not charged more. And Xiaomi says it has battery life of 20 days, guys. Yes, Xiaomi says the battery life is of 20 days and it is water resistant. See, it's powered off, it was vibrating now. So this is, I'll give you review later of this. So this was only the unboxing of Mi Band 2, and if you like the video, so don't forget to give this a video thumbs up and share it to your friends whom you love, and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to subscribe. We'll meet in another video, and the Q&A video is coming soon guys. And I've not seen a great response on our Q&A video, but still there is one question, and today we aim for 3 likes. Okay, so hope you do that 3 likes, and